We've got a bucket of golf balls. We're literally challenging the advertising directly. The American Standard is supposed to flush this entire bucket of golf balls. Here's the true test of their advertising. American Standard champion, full bucket of golf balls. All right, here we go. Well, that sucks. It didn't flush hardly any of them. We're going to actually try that one again. That's some pretty bad news, American Standard. You claim it'll flush a whole bucket of golf balls, and we're 0 for 2, and the cheapest toilet available at Home Depot flushed more than this one.